Came in this morning to check on that paint pour we did the other day, and guess what? It's dry. So yeah, looking pretty awesome. Really all dry and whatnot. But yeah, so yeah, the paint pour came out alright. Came out lovely. Better than what? Stop saying. Yeah, so it came out awesome. Absolutely loved it. And if you guys haven't already, check it out on obviously on my YouTube channel, where you find me here, rattling on about the paint pour we did the other day. Yeah, let me know what you guys think, and if I should do some more of these, because I'll just be a bit more organised with the drying time next time. But hey, it's all good. But yeah, new one out on Friday, so check that out. It's a bit of a different one, so hope you guys like it, and I'll see you guys on Friday. Subscribe somewhere below if you haven't already, help out the channel, and we can make some great things together. And I will see you guys in the next video. Later.